For example, somebody shared with me a packet of sausages. A picture of, they didn't physically share me a packet of sausages. Somebody shared a packet of sausages made with pork, and it said the word halal on it. Now, that word halal on it doesn't make those pork sausages halal.
You find young brothers and their intent. What would be your advice to the young brothers who are trying to do things like this? They've got great intentions. You see some of them, they've got a lot of charisma. Like you said in the previous one of the previous talks, that people have got good charisma and they're good orators or they're good marketers. And they come with those skills, which are commendable skills, to open up. And I'm thinking of two case studies, as we've done before in our past, where we looked at case studies, looked at the rationales, looked at the defining factors, and then built our systems on those. And so, looking at it from a good point of view, a good example, he's just got himself a bit more religious, read a few good books, and his intentions are pure. If we just start with that one first.
Yeah, just to touch upon words. For example, somebody shared with me a packet of sausages. A picture of, they didn't physically share me a packet of sausages. Somebody shared a packet of sausages made with pork, and it said the word halal on it. Now, that word halal on it doesn't make those pork sausages halal. So whether somebody is marketing something as halal, saying Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, does not change what's in the tin. It's what's in the tin that's important. In terms of these young people who are, again, we've touched upon this in terms of where they fall into these kind of broad groups of well-intended or more sinister. The ones who are more sinister, I would say, they need to be very careful. Genuinely, I would say that to them. You need to be very, very careful, because if you're trying to make a mockery of deen, if you're trying to, dress something up with deeny cloth to make it pure, this cannot be. This is so degrading of someone's faith that there's lots of warnings given with regards to that, and they need to tread very, very carefully. Because it's very dangerous to do something of this nature, because it can come under ridiculing the deen, and ridiculing the deen can take a person close to kufr. So it's something that has to be taken very, very seriously, that I need to be very careful what I'm saying before I get attributed with this particular task.